A very good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about Akbar. The previous class we are learned Akbar and Babur. Today we are going to discuss about Akbar religious policy. Akbar realizing that the gain of affection would be more enduring the gains the noble of the sword. Gains of the sword. Made of all about the effort to win the goodwill. Hindu nobles, who means Hindu nobles and the Hindu masses. He abolished means he banned. What is the tax entitlement? Jaisa, the full tax on non-Muslim and tax on the Hindu pilgrims. So this all tax and all he will be abolished. Who abolished? Akbar. He also married. What the girl of the noble Rajput family. Later, he allowed to marry his son for one of the Rajput girl. He appointed the Rajput nobles to important and top position in his empire. Who is allowed to important position given to her court? The Rajput nobles. What is the important person mean? Raja Mansingh. What is the name? Raja Mansingh of Jaipur was in the governor of Kabul once. Akbar treated all the religious group, all the religious mean Hindu, Muslim and all the so fairly and generosity of the spirit. The Sufi saint, what is the Sufi saint? Salim Christie and the Sikh Guru Ramdas received the Akbar almost respect and regard. So he will be treated all the religious was generosity of the spirit. So he will be treated one of the Sufi saint of Salim Christie and Sikh Guru of Ramdas received in Akbar almost respect and regard. Guru Ramadas was gifted. Where get the gift? Akbar. What is that? Plot of land in Amritsar. What is the Amritsar? Where the Sikkim Serin and the Har Mandir Sahib was later built. In the Ibad Khan, a hall in the new Fadur Sikri city constructed by the Akbar scholar of all religions met for the discourses. So this is hall they will be used for the discourses of the all religious people. So what is the contribution of the culture? Akbar was the great pattern of learning. He is very interested. His personal library had more than how many script of the manuscript will be there? 4,000 manuscript. He patronized the scholar of all the beliefs and all state of the opinions. He will be asking all the person's opinion. He extended his benevolence to authors who was such as Abdul Basal, Abdul Basi and Abdul Rahim Khan Ikonan. The great storyteller, another one person you know the Birbal and common official like Raja Tondar Mal. Raja Bhavan Das and Raja Mansingh is the great, another one is the great composer and musician of Dansan and artist of Dasban adorned the who is the court Akbar court as well as who's the period Akbar period. This all person will be allowed to adorn the court of the Akbar. Next is the person we are going to learn about Jahangir is the son of Akbar. Akbar was succeeded by the Prince Salim, his son, through the Rajput wife, who was also named after that he was married. He was the name of Nurjuddin Muhammad Jahangir. What is the name? Nurjuddin Muhammad Jahangir. What is the name they given mean? What is the meaning of the Jahangir mean? Conqueror of the world. Jahangir was more interested in the art and painting and gardens and flowers. What is the interested he? Art and painting and gardens and flowers. Then in the running the government. So Jahangir's wife Mehruddin Nisa. What is the name? Mehruddin Nisa. So known as Noor Jahan. What is the name they call? Noor Jahan. Was the real power began the throne of Jahangir. Jahangir carried on to some extent his father traditionals. What their father will be follow, all they are followed the her son of Jahangir. The toleration of the religious Akbar time continue in the Jahangir time. Akbar follow all the religious treated the equally. The same the same format they followed for the Jahangir also. But Jahangir ordered the execution of the Sikkim leader. What is the name? Guru Arjun. What is the name? Guru Arjun. For helping his the rebellions on the son Gursum who context for the throne. So this resulted they have prolonged the fight between the Sikkim and Mughals that time. the incidents. Then the Guru Arjun for helping his rebellion son of the Kursu. So this contest war again who's then fighting Sikkim and Mughal. As a result of the confrontation, the Mughal had the Mughals lost control over the trade routes to the Afghanistan, Persia and Central Asia. The loss of the Kandahar exported India to innovation from the northwest. Ahmednagar, through conquered by the Jahangir, remained the source of the role throughout his religion. So Jahangir granted trading rights to the Portuguese and later to the English, who is allowed to have Thomas Roy, the representative of the King James I of England. Who is the representative? Thomas Roy, the representative of King James I of England, visited the Jahangir court, and his agreement paved the way of British establishing their first factory in the place? Surat. Who entered to kingdom of Jahangir? Thomas Roy, the representative of the King James I of England. He visited the Jahangir court, and this agreement paved the first in British people entered to India. They started the new factory. What is the factory name? Is another place. What is the place? Surat. So up to Akbar religious policies and what is that? Jahangir. Or you know very well. Studied this two part. Thank you, student.